In this video, I'll show you how you can schedule your post in LinkedIn. So it's very simple. So I'm gonna start creating post. So let's say hi. And now how you can schedule it is by clicking on this clock icon, schedule for later. So click on it. And for here, you can choose exact date and exact time for which you want to schedule this post. So let's say tomorrow, and let's say, I don't know, 8 p.m. Then click next and schedule. Now let's say if you want to find the scheduled post you created, you can find it by creating new post and then click on this schedule for later again and view all scheduled posts. So click on it, and as you can see, this is going to be posted in November 25 at 8 p.m. So this is your scheduled post, and that's it. That's how you can find and create scheduled post in LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.